Hi lovelies, welcome back to another watch me rig video. So before I jump into the video, first and foremost, let me give a huge shout out to my notification squad. These are the first 3 people to comment on my last video, and if you want to be part of the notification squad, click on the bell icon right next to that subscribe button and come on and join the BeGlamorous family. So this is the set that we'll be working on today. It's a really cute, well, not really a traditional Valentine's Day set, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. And a quick disclaimer, if you hear spoons knocking or kettles brewing, I am actually making my coffee while I'm doing my voiceover because I need some coffee. I've been up editing and I really need my coffee, so bear with the noise if you hear it. If you don't, that's cool. Now with that out of the way, let's get into the video. So I'm starting off by applying my 2 coats of primer. The first one I allow to completely dry, and the second one I do go in and lay down my thin layer of clear acrylic so that I have something to file down to when my client comes back in for an acrylic infill and she decides that she doesn't want this anymore. So this is going to be my protective layer because this is a not polished acrylic full set. So I am going to have an updated prep video coming for you guys. I have been trying out some new diamond bits by Melody Susie and I have been loving them. So I will have a prep video coming up shortly, maybe after the Valentine's Day sets. I'll schedule it in after because I do have all my Valentine's Day designs scheduled out already. So I'll definitely be getting that in for you guys. Coffee is life. So yeah, this is how I am, like first thing in the morning. Once I've been up the majority of the night editing, I do have to have my coffee. I try not to have much coffee because I do have acid reflux really badly, and unfortunately coffee is not good for it, and I am a lover of coffee, as you can tell. So now I'm going in and I'm going to coat the pinky nail, the thumb, and the index finger with this light blue acrylic powder. This is by Valentino, and I will have the number of it in the description box below because unfortunately I do not have it on hand. And I am using my number 12 oval Kolinsky brush by Alpha, and I do have an affiliate link that will be in my description box as well. You guys need to check out the description box, okay? It is totally full of all the links, coupon codes, everything, like my Amazon storefront, all the products that I absolutely love and use on a daily basis, like my favorite e-file, which is by Melody Susie, and it is the Scarlet nail drill. I absolutely love it, and I do have a review on it, and I'll have it on the screen in the card so you guys can go ahead and check it out. And I have a new review coming for you guys on the EOS 9 UV LED nail lamp by Melody Susie. I did have a pair of my Sun UV LED UV gel lights, and one of them just completely stopped working, and the other one started to give me a problem in curing my Madam Glam gels, which it never did before, but it recently started. So I went ahead and I got a pair of the EOS 9 UV LED nail lamps, and I've been loving them so far, so I can't wait to share that review with you guys as well. Now I am now an affiliate for Melody Susie, so I do have a link and a coupon code for you guys, and of course the channel will benefit a little bit from your purchase, and I would thank you guys from now for using the links that I have provided so far in my description box below. I love having affiliate links, that way both of us can profit from these videos, and it does help the channel a lot. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the lighting on this video is different. Yes, and it has been different since my last video that I just uploaded, and if you missed it, I would have it on the screen in the card so you guys can check it out. And I did invest in a new desk light. I have been debating on which one to get, and I did ended up going for the Daylight Company Slimline 3, and it was like $125 US over the Christmas period, and it's still at that price because when I started looking at it, it was $150 something. So as soon as it reduced and I realized that it's been a while at that price and it wasn't going any further, I decided to get it. So I want to thank you guys so much for those of you who have been using my affiliate link. I did save for a minute before I could actually purchase this one, and it is because of you guys. So I told you guys, once I buy anything to improve the channel, I am going to let you know what it is and if I love it, and I have been eyeballing this for a while. and I really love it so much that I started featuring it on my Amazon storefront under my filming equipment, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. So I do want to thank everybody who commented on my last video, and we are going to be switching our schedule to Sundays and Wednesdays. So yes, I'm going to be changing my YouTube banner. Our uploads are now going to be Sundays and Wednesdays, and I am going to be trying my hardest best to make it in time for 6 p.m. New York time, because we are an hour behind. No, we are an hour ahead of you guys, because daylight savings is on. My 7 o'clock is your 6 o'clock, so I'll be definitely posting it at your time. So make sure that you do have your post notifications turned on so that you don't miss out whenever your girl drops a new video. I'm going to continue sipping my coffee now. I think it's probably cold, but I'm going to continue doing that, and I'll allow you to watch my application with the blue acrylic, and I'll meet you guys right back for the rest.
Deja vu strings me along. I put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings, and I'm still singing your song. Deja vu strings me along. Put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings, and I'm still singing your song. Deja vu strings me along. I put deja.
Her ring finger, I am going to be doing an ombre, so I'm starting off with that same blue, and I'm going to be applying it right where the free edge meets the extension, and I'm going to be breaking that blue all the way to the tip, or as far as possible. After doing that, I am going to make sure that this sets for a minute, so I'm going to do the other nail on the other hand while this blue sets before going in with the nude to create my ombre. If you guys are interested in seeing how I do my ombre in a more detailed video, I will have that video on the screen in the cards, and I will also link it in my description box below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. It's the same technique with the white and the pink, it's just that I'm using blue in this case. Now I'm going in with Magical State Dakota by JC Beauty Concepts, and I do have the link and a coupon code for you guys down there in my description box as well. I absolutely love this nude. I thought I loved their cover blush, but this one that they came out with, it is just what it says it is. It's a magical state. It is gorgeous, and I love the little fine reflex of glitter in it, and it is a cover blush color which can go with various skin tones. I absolutely love it. Like, JC Beauty Concepts hit the nail on the head when it comes to their nude acrylic powders, because cover blush is still one of my go-tos. It's still one of my favorites, and then they came out with this one, and I absolutely love that little teeny bit of glitter in there. So I am going to wait for this ombre to set, and then I'm going to go in with some iridescent heart-shaped glitters. And to apply my glitters, I am using my Macart brush on nail glue. Now the reason why I'm using this is because it's easier for me to place the hearts, and it will set faster because this glue does dry really quickly, rather than going in with my clear acrylic powder. So I'm just putting a drop of glue right where I want that heart to be, and then I'm just going to use my rhinestone picker tool and place those hearts very randomly at the tip of the nail. I'm not going down to the nail bed, so I'm not putting it on the entire nail. I'm just focusing on that tip. After I do this, I am going to allow this to dry. So while this is drying, before I go in and encapsulate, I'm going to move on to another nail and then come back to it.
Try to move on. You're still playing heartstrings, and I'm still singing your song.
I did leave this clip in on purpose because as she put her hands down, you saw the beauty of the hearts. So on the index fingers, I'm going over the entire blue nail with some shreds, and these shreds are by the Veronica's shop, and I will have my affiliate link and discount in the description box below for those of you who are interested. Trust me, you guys need to check this website out. It is thebomb.com. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay down a thin layer of clear acrylic to press in some of that glitter right where I need it. And I did decide to add some of the twinkle shaped glitters, also by the Veronica's shop, inside of this nail as well. And then I'm going to go over the entire nail with a very wet bead of my clear acrylic to hold those glitters in place before I actually go back in to encapsulate. Now I'm going in with that baby blue and cover blush by JC Beauty Concepts, and I'm going to be creating an acrylic marble on this nail. Now it doesn't need to be perfect because this is just going to be a background for the design that I'm going to put on top of it, but because that design is not going to cover the entire nail, it still needs to be neat and clean underneath. So when I'm happy with the way that that marble looks, I am going to randomly place some of those glitter shreds inside of it, and then I'm going to go in and encapsulate all the nails, file, shape, and buff off camera. And I didn't show you guys me encapsulating all the nails today because you guys know how I do that. So now on the pinky nail, I'm going right in the center of the cuticle area, and I'm going to be placing 2 crystals down. I did lay down my gem gel before I do that, and that is my McCart rhinestone gel. And before curing that gel, I am going to go in immediately with my Madam Glam's No Wipe Gel Top Coat, and then I'm going to cure those gems in place. Around the cuticle area of her index fingers, I am going to go in and apply some cuticle bling because it's not a BeGlamorous video without some cuticle bling. And because this nail is already so glistery and glamorous, I didn't want to do too much on it, so we just went in with a little bit of rhinestones around the cuticle area, did the same technique, laid down my gem gel, placed my crystals where I want them, and then went in with my No Wipe Gel Top Coat and then cured. So I'm going to go over her middle finger and her ring finger as well with my Madam Glam's No Wipe Gel Top Coat before I do my design on top of it. So for my nail art design today, I am using my Young Nails Mission Control Gel Paints and I'm using the white. Now the reason why I'm using this today and not my Madam Glam's Perfect White is because this does not dry with that tacky top, and that is why I did apply my No Wipe Gel Top Coat first. So I'm going in and I'm going to be using a fine detailer brush and I'm going to draw a heart. While I draw this heart, I'm going to cure it for about 15 seconds and then I'm going to come on top of it and draw another heart. Now before curing this one, I'm going to use my iridescent white glitters, the fine one, and I'm going to create a sugar effect on the top heart before pushing it into the light and curing it. How cute is that? Like, I really actually am enjoying the sugar technique with my arts these days, so bear with me, okay? Bear with me. So now I'm drawing a second heart in the corner of the nail. Now I didn't want to fill the entire nail up with hearts. I still wanted to keep it a little bit on the subtle side. And now before I cure that one, I am going to sugar it and then cure it in the light, and I gave this hand a full cure. And on the ring finger, I am going to be drawing a lip with that same Mission Control white, and I'm going to be writing XOXO. It was supposed to be, but it didn't have space to fit the other O, so it was just XOX. You all know what it means, right? Hugs and kisses. That's it. So after I do that, I went ahead and cured everything for a full cure of 30 seconds, and of course I will have a clip of the final result. We have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed, and while you're there, join the BeGlamorous family by clicking on the bell icon to make sure that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. I will also have a clip of this on Instagram. For those of you who are not following me, definitely follow me at BeGlamorous Nails on IG as well. So that is it for me. I am out. I want to thank you so much if you stuck it out and you are with me till the end of this video. Thank you for watching. As always, I would love for you guys to stay glamorous, be safe, and I'll see you soon.